to getting the grade for RE GCSE, this is the first series of how we're going to work with you for you to be able to get the perfect GCSE grade. Today, we are going to be able to learn how to answer a 4-mark GCSE question, which is your AO2 question C. The question that we're going to use is, it's not my job to be socially responsible. You'll be asked to give 2 reasons why a religious believer might agree or disagree with the statement. This question will test your ability to present religious views and explain the reason behind them. In this clip, I will also explain to you what examiners are looking for at different levels and how to build your answer. Level 1. You just need to give a simple, appropriate justification of the point of view. And this is what I mean. First, show you understand the question and state an opinion. The second thing you need to remember is do not start with I think or my opinion is. Remember, this is not about your opinion, it's rather about what you know. And the example that you can use, or I would like to share with you, is a religious believer may disagree because there are references to social texts in their sacred books or social responsibility. At level 2, is an expanded justification of one view, which includes religious teachings or 2 simple points of view. Next, you need to justify this view by referring to religious teachings. Notice in level 1, it's just a simple point of view. To get to level 2, you need to be able to include a religious teaching. For example, in Christianity, the Bible states, "A new commandment I give to you, that you love one another even as I have loved you." John chapter 13, verses 34. Notice how I've included a religious teaching. However, if you're unable to remember to include the religious teaching, you can also make 2 simple points of view based on beliefs or actions of a religious believer. In order to get to level 3, you need to be able to make an expanded justification of a point of view, but you need to also include an example or illustrations, which includes religious teachings, or you need to be able to make 2 simple, appropriate justifications of a point of view. Then you need to offer an explanation of the first point and add a second opinion about the statement. I must stress that in this level 3, you must include another religion. You can't use Christianity. You need to make sure you mention a new religion. You can mention Hinduism, you can mention Muslim, but you cannot use Christianity. Okay? For example, a Muslim would agree because their religion has much to say about the idea of social responsibility or caring for those in need. That would be you at a level 3. Now, to get to a level 4, you need to be able to expand on your level 3 answer. You need to be able to incorporate religious teachings and moral aspects as the issues and the implications for individual and the rest of the society. And this is what I mean. You need to be able to develop the second viewpoint to include religious teachings to support the viewpoint. For example, a Muslim would refer to the examples of Prophet Muhammad, who often spoke out against injustice. He encouraged Muslims to help war widows. So first, in level 3, you talked about the sacred text, and then in level 4, you provided an example of religious teaching to back that. And that is how you get to level 4. So just to recap, you need to be able to make a simple point. You need to be able to expand that point by including religious teachings. For level 3, you need to be able to provide another point of view using a different religion, and you need to be able to provide religious point of view to back them up. And that is how to get a 4-mark question, AOC 2 question C nailed.